Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and fix your Instagram login error on iPhone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, now I will simply start our video. For the matter, the first thing that you have to do is you have to access a particular app stores to make sure if your app is updated or not, because if your app is not, then that could be one of the reasons why you're having that kind of problem. So for that, type in Instagram on search bar of your app store and tap on your Instagram, and if your app shows update option instead of open, you have to tap on that update and let your app update, and that will simply solve that problem of yours. If that still doesn't work, then you have to access your settings of your iPhone and simply go to this search bar of yours again and simply type in the storage option, storage keyword for you to have a shortcut. Now you will access the iPhone storage of yours. Now scroll down and tap on the Instagram app on top, you can see, and here you will find this option called offload app. You can see this will free up storage used by this app, but keep its document and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available in the app store, and it is available in the app store. If you offload app, it will simply uninstall it as well, and you can again reinstall it, add in your information. It will all be there, your data will all be there, nothing will be deleted, and then you will be able to access it without any problem. So that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.